Hello, and welcome to the Fast Track Envision Quick Start series. Today we're going to go through Global System Settings. Global System Settings is available to you through the System Setup Global Settings option. Of course, you must have operations permissions to access this menu. Once loaded, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the screen. I'm going to walk you through the most important settings within each one of these tabs. Otherwise, most settings are set by default and will work for you in the short term. However, I urge you to review all of these settings so you can see how to customize and configure various aspects of your Fast Track software. There are upwards of 200 different types of settings that you can configure, everything from notifications to dispatch options, document options, and so on. On the General tab, the most important setting you'll have here is Backup Settings. This gives you a URL and a password that you can set that will be a backup off-site access to your reservation list. In addition to the reservation list that gets sent to you nightly, this URL will give you access to the latest reservation list just in case the dispatch system is not available to you. This happens very infrequently, but make sure that you have this saved and ready to go just in case. On the Documents tab is where you're going to configure various settings for the document reports within Fast Track software. Everything from whether or not you're going to include contracts text within a confirmation, everything from what the name of the trip invoices is going to be. There's several settings across all of those document types, and these are default settings that are set here, and they can be overridden further at the customer and corporate profile level. The Reservation tab includes a variety of different settings to tailor the reservationist experience, including what's required, what defaults, the name of pricing line items, and whatnot. The Dispatch tab offers you a variety of options to customize the dispatch experience. One of the most important options here is to set up the colors for your statuses throughout the system. The colors set up here will be shown throughout all of the grids within the Fast Track Envision software, and this gives you visual feedback on the actual status of each individual reservation. Otherwise, there's a list of settings here that will help customize the dispatch experience. The Finance and Billing tab, as it states, is here to customize the actual billing workflow. So everything from invoice build options to new customer default options when generating invoices, late payment fees, but also how to set up your automated statement run dates. So there's a variety of different customization options here that you should be aware of. The Employees tab has a couple different parts. In addition to the employee pay settings at the top, there's also the Fast Track Driver app settings and the driver schedule and availability settings. Fast Track Driver app settings help customize the user experience that your employee driver is going to see when using the Fast Track Driver app. The driver schedule and availability settings are to tailor your use of the calendar and driver availability controls within the Fast Track software. The last tab is one of the most important tabs, and that's Notifications. So there's two primary aspects on this tab. You have the notifications that go out via email and also via SMS. For example, 24-hour reminders or SMS thank you notifications or driver assignment, not assignment notifications. But also the Copy Email Settings tab allows you, the operator, to be copied on all communication that goes out to your customers as a backup, just in case you want to see the flow of communication between customer and dispatch. I hope this has been helpful. Of course, if you have any other additional questions, you could always contact support@fasttrackcloud.com. Thanks. Have a great day.